Guys, today pag-uusapan na natin itong Grass dahil meron silang ginawang community call noong November 25. I-discuss ko lang dito yung mga pinag-usapan as well as yung update sa kanilang revenue growth. Sama ko na rin dito yung pinaka airdrop, yung S2 airdrop nila at yung Grasshopper update. So kung kailan nga ba yung pinaka S2 airdrop eligibility. So, discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today as well as this Global Trading Championship na 9 days na lang. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys. So, nasa Epoch 30 na nga itong si Grass as we can see. So, dito nga guys ay isa sa mga update nila is yung growth sa kanilang revenue wherein they discussed during the community call. So they discussed that during this network participants call. Ayan, we also observed dito nung kanilang quarterly revenue for 2025. They mentioned dito na Grass is not just another network, So it's positioned in one of the fastest growing sectors in the AI economy, AI data infrastructure, which becoming as important as compute itself. So kasama dyan yung mga strengths nila like massive distributed residential routing network, cost advantage versus hyperscalers, high quality multimodal datasets, at marami pang iba, guys. So they mentioned din nila dito during the community or the participant network participant call is that yung Grasshopper na delayed nga sa Q1 to Q2 2026. So this means na next year, as well as yung season 2 or S2 airdrop eligibility Q1 to Q2 rin yung mention nila doon during community call. Isa sa mga reason ng delay nila dito is that yung adjustments or align ng token incentives with better market conditions. Parang sinabi nila doon na mas okay ma-delay kaysa pilit na ilabas na medyo uncertain or medyo pangit yung market, resulting in a lower airdrop amount. So in my own opinion, guys, hindi naman natin alam kung ano pa yung mangyayari next year, kung anong presyo, kung ano yung magiging price ng market next year. Kasi this year, they keep mentioning yung iba, yung mga analysts na iba is that they mention na bear market na daw. Pero hindi talaga natin, guys, alam na kung ano yung magiging status ng market next year. Pero yun yung isa sa mga key highlights nila dito, yung revenue nila na nag-i-increase and other like features and other advantage nila sa ibang mga different projects. As well as yung delay nga ng kanilang airdrop, which is the S2 airdrop and Grasshopper update. So they mentioned doon na it will be delayed Q1 to Q2 next year, and yun nga, na-mention ko na rin yung pinaka-reasons nila doon due to market conditions right now. So yun yung isa sa mga reasons nila doon. And personally, I just want to share some updates lang dito, and I've been farming Grass since last year, and yun yung isa sa mga inaabangan ko rin na update nila. Hopefully this year magkaroon ng airdrop, pero during this participant call, yun yung mga na-mention nila. Yun, hope you get some updates, insights. Again, guys, this video is just an update lang, and just want to share some insights, ideas dito, and to answer your questions. Does it qualify as an investment or financial advice? Punta muna tayo dito sa Global Trading Championship. So ito is for my self-development. You can just join dito if you are interested. You can scan that code yung lumabas sa screen, or you can visit yung official link sa description ng video na ito if you're interested, if you want to explore these events, guys. So for me personally, this is one of my self-development. I've been joining tournaments, events like this, like trading competitions for the past couple of years, just to nourish yung experience ko dito, and for my self-growth, self-development nga dito. So like for example, if you have decent PNL, you can potentially get ng USDT dito. Like for example, for top 1, as of now, ito yung qualified participants. If ever na marami yung mga qualified participants dito, lumalaki yung pinaka price pool, Kasi 1 MUSDT dito yung price pool up to 1 MUSDT, no? So individual PNL, if maganda yung pinaka PNL mo, you can get free USDT dito, no? So yun yung isa sa mga updates natin dito guys sa Global Trading Championship kay Grass. And magi-start nga ito 9 days, 9 hours as of recording this video. Open na yung boosters pala nila, no? Ayan, no? You can get dito ng rewards, like meron lang silang pinaka-task, and you can crush the blocks dito. Meron din ditong price pool na up to 135 USDT or puzzle pieces that unlock greater rewards. Yun, you can explore this one guys for updates, and if you are interested, lalagay ko na lang yung mga official links as well as yung mga pina-farm pa natin na airdrop sa description ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.